Hi everyone, and happy 2019.
What a year it has been for all of us, and I hope all of you had a wonderful time celebrating and ringing in the new year.
I would just like to quickly address thy elephant in thy room, my nasal infection.
This year for Christmas, Eamon and I gifted each other a 2-week flu. So I'm still going through the motions, and Eamon gets impetigo on his nose. So now that that's cleared up, we would just like to also thank you guys for being a part of our 2018 journey.
Whew, what a year.
When we moved into this van, I never thought that sharing online would bring such a positive, supportive, beautiful community. And I am just so grateful to each and every one of you for being a part of that with us and for us. We truly love you guys.
Love you, guys. A few weeks ago, we were approached by one of our favorite travel vloggers, Hey Nadine. She was putting together an epic 2018 where to, how to travel video. And we love that idea, so if you haven't checked that out, it's going to be linked below. And we wanted to reach out to our van life community members and put together a where to travel 2019 van life edition.
With 4 wheels, there are only so many places you can go, and so it's so fun to see where others have traveled and where our community has gone. And maybe this will inspire you guys to take the plunge and go somewhere crazy in your little home this year.
We turn to our friends all across the globe and ask them where you should travel in 2019.
All I can say is putting together this footage has me itching to go to some incredible places. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can find out our top pick and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Theo and this is B, and together we are the Indie Projects.
And our favourite place to travel, where we can't wait to go back to in 2019, is the Lofoten Islands in northern Norway.
If you're travelling in a van, we definitely recommend it. It's well worth a visit.
It's absolutely amazing, the landscape is insane and you will just love it there.
Hi everyone, we are Max and Lee, and we're encouraging you to add Colombia to your 2019 travel destination.
Yeah, if you like Mexico, it's like a brother from another mother that's affordable, the people are super friendly, it's got an incredibly diverse landscape, and best part of all is there's a really good overlanding community there. Yes, it's a little bit further to get to, but it is so
Well
worth it.
From the Warren Caribbean coastline to the Andes Mountains, you'll see lots of coffee plantations, bustling cities, and beautiful fresh lakes as you drive through.
We'll see you there.
Hey, I'm Vanessa.
And Adam and Cedar Fox.
And we are Create Wonder. We've traveled all around North America, and one of our top favorite places is Arizona. We loved Arizona because of all the great free camping there is. The weather is amazing and there's tons of wonderful hikes there.
Yeah, we love doing photography and obviously videography, and that's a great place for us. Can be hustle and bustle, or it can be the quiet of the desert, and it's something totally different for us being Canadians in that stark landscape.
Hi guys!
Hi!
This is Jimmy and Sabrina from Wanderbus, and we spent the last couple of years traveling all across North America.
Our top van life destination is Baja California Sur in Mexico.
The culture is amazing and it gave us the freedom we were looking for all of our travels.
We got to camp on the beach for free or up to $5 a night. It was absolutely incredible. The views were breathtaking, bright blue water and clear white sand.
On top of that, the dogs were completely free and we had no issues letting them run wild and free on the beach.
We always wanted to be outside and there was always a new beach to explore.
So check it out.
Hey guys, we are the Matneys, and our favorite travel destination of this year was Oaxaca in Mexico.
A couple quick highlights from Oaxaca. One, Oaxaca City was just amazing, this really beautiful multicultural city. And two, were the beaches of Oaxaca. Especially love the surfing and the snorkeling down there.
It was definitely our favorite place that we've been in 2018, so we'd highly recommend that you put it on your travel agenda for the future.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Trent.
I'm Allie.
We also run a YouTube channel. We live in our self-converted ProMaster van, and we're gonna tell you guys that Salt Lake City is our location that we think you guys should travel to.
Salt Lake City has amazing mountains, amazing desert, a lot of different climates that are all very accessible to the city. So you kind of get the urban environment and urban opportunities along with all the exciting outdoor activities.
You can rock climb, you can mountain bike, you can water ski, you can do pretty much anything you want to do in Salt Lake City. So put it on your list. You guys are gonna love it.
Hey everybody, it's Alex and Sarah from 40 Hours of Freedom, and today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite places that we traveled to last year.
Hands down, our favorite spot that we traveled to over the summer was the Banff area. We spent like 2 weeks in Canmore and in Banff and driving up Icefields Parkway, and we highly recommend it for anybody traveling because you can drive along the Icefields Parkway and there's just turquoise lake after turquoise lake and beautiful mountain views.
Yeah, so if you were thinking about making the Banff Canmore area one of your destinations for 2019, I would highly encourage you to spend some time in Canmore and in Banff, the two towns. You're going to get better cell service and Wi-Fi if you are working on the road or there's business that you have to do. You can spend a few days there, and then when you really want to get away, you can go to the Icefields Parkway and you can find one of the first come, first serve campgrounds at either Waterfowl Lakes, or I can't remember any of the other ones right now, but there are a couple others. And then you have no cell service, nobody to bug you, and you're just out in nature for a few days.
Yeah, it's a great place to disconnect, so we hope you go check it out this year.
And now it's our turn. This past summer, we had the chance to take the van all the way across the country back to British Columbia, and the area between Squamish and Whistler became our home for a good 2 to 3 weeks. We absolutely love it there.
We met so many other van lifers, spent our days hiking to beautiful viewpoints, and swam in a number of glacier-fed lakes.
Each and every day, we found ourselves stealth camping beneath beautiful mountains or remotely in the woods. Of all the years of travel that Eamon and I have done together, we don't often say that we would return to a place before we had a chance to go and visit somewhere new. But with BC and Squamish and Whistler in particular, I have no doubt in my mind that we would both get in this van and drive there again tomorrow. So put that on your wish list for 2019 or in the future. It is a must for us.
Yeah, totally. Regardless of whether you guys have your van or it's something you're working towards, we hope you found this video inspiring and got to shed some light on some cool possible destinations of 2019.
Please make sure that you check out each and every one of these amazing YouTube channels. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible, and we wouldn't be challenged and excited to continue making content because these are our van life content friends. So go show them some love. They will all be linked in the description box below. And I think that's it. I'm gonna go to my doctor's appointment, get myself all better, and I hope you guys have the most beautiful 2019. Thank you again for making 2018 so special for us.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Make sure you like and subscribe.